Alright folks, here we go. In here we got this here planter. Got her getting going. She's almost ready. And I'm gonna, if you seen all this here white stuff on here, this here, what it is, I'm gonna let you know, is diatomaceous earth, is what this white stuff is. Now, this is food grade diatomaceous earth. However, the thing is though with it, is that it's 83% silica. And what's the one thing that your plants need for their roots to help get, pull in minerals and everything else? Hey, diatomaceous earth, man, you need the silica. If you ain't got the actual silica, this here works just as great. Diatomaceous earth, it's cheaper and everything else. And I'll tell you what, I use it in all of mine. And there goes the cats trying to get at a scrambled egg. So now we're just doing this here, getting that diatomaceous earth mixed up in here really good as best we can. And then I'm going to wet it down a little bit. But before I do that, I'm going to plant what I am going to plant in here. Okay. Now with that diatomaceous earth in here, the roots are going to go crazy with whenever that diatomaceous earth sticks to it. And what it's going to do, it's going to help the roots take in their thing. Now I'm going to put these garlics. See, they were in a cold area, so I guess they thought it was winter. And now whenever this here is warmer, it's already getting its root thing, its trunk out. So what we're going to do, take this down to about 1 inch deep. Oh, sorry. Okay, there's one. Now I'm going to go over here. So I got 4 more to put in here. I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to take this clove of garlic. We're going to push it down in there. Okay, it's about 1 inch deep. Okay. Yeah, so now we got 2 in there. So now we got, we got a few more. So let's go here. We're going to do the same thing, folks. So we're just going to go whoop. That's 3. Alright folks, well let me get these planted and then I'll be right back to you. Okay folks, we're back. Alright, let's get out here, let's take a look. And I'll show you what I've done out here. Starting with those 6 pots. Because that's where we're at. Right here, we got a spaghetti squash. Right here, we got a spaghetti squash. Right here, we got a butternut squash. Then over here, we got 1, 2, 3 pole beans. Okay, so now we're looking at 3 pole beans, 1 butternut, and 2 spaghetti squashes. And as you've seen from upstairs, we got 3 corns and 2 green peppers. Okay, so we got our squash going, because we use the squash as well for making our sauces and our pasta sauces, especially for on the pizzas, because I like to have a lot of herbs and vegetables, fresh, good, beautiful vegetables. You know, not nothing from the store that's been contaminated by political interference. Let's just say that, especially nowadays. But upstairs I got my black seeded lettuce, folks. I got a beefsteak tomato going. And right now I got clones. Well, I'm trying to clone right now some more tomatoes that are going. But like I said, upstairs I got beefsteak tomato. I got black seeded lettuce up there. I got, wow, 2 spaghetti squashes, 1 butternut squash, 3 pole beans. Yeah, it just gets confusing. But hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and let's get busy. Good morning, folks. Now, I want to let you guys know, because my wife doesn't even know quite yet about what's even in here. So far, right here, 1, 2, 3. These are corn. These are peaches and cream corn. Right here, this is 2 of the green peppers right here. And that's not all, folks, because we got some more outside that we done. So let's move from here after I go through these one more time. Peaches and cream corn, peaches and cream corn, peaches and cream corn. Now those all got tails, so they're going good. Green pepper, green pepper. All right, folks. And as you can see, still got my lettuce there, my black seeded lettuce, my tomato right here. Still got my succulents. They're doing good, my 2 succulents. And I got my aloe vera. She's starting to pick up a lot better now, getting her juices flowing. She's getting all together. But let's go outside, folks, where I can show you the rest. Let's get it! Alright, folks, there we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, folks, so we got 7 of them in here. So now what we're going to do, and get the water running. I can tell there's dirt in my sink from me using transplanting and everything else this morning. So let's just go here. Let's give this a little bit of wet over. This here will get all of that there diatomaceous earth clinging onto that root systems a little better. So this here will help it to grow and absorb nutrients and everything else. So yeah, son. All right.
Many see them as defenders of freedom. The fear is that their activities will be increasingly criminalized. Imagine being unable to prepare for potential threats without facing legal repercussions. It's a suppression of the right to self-defense. 28. The Sovereign Citizen Movement. This group believes in the sovereignty of individuals over government control. The fear is that their beliefs will be increasingly marginalized and criminalized.
Alright folks, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this outside, we're going to get it out, and then we'll get back to you. Alright folks, here we go. Now let's get this here situated so you guys know what we're talking about here. Spaghetti squash, butternut squash, pole beans, and here we got some garlic. Okay, so yeah folks, yeah, free food son, free food. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something over here. This here is an elderberry. Look at this. Son, I'm telling you, son, what I'm talking about. Got to get these all nice and watered because they looking pretty dry. But yeah. All right, folks. I guess that's it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 6, 11 things planted down here. 5 more things. I got 16 items planted. So hopefully we do some good, folks. See ya.